Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my new video in which I'm gonna tell you the new method to earn money. As you know, I usually come here with videos in which I just tell you the new tricks to earn online money. Today I will tell you a new method in which you can earn online money. Sell second-hand items. Okay, selling or renting out second-hand items is another excellent way to make money and a great motivation to start decluttering your space. Furthermore, selling used item can be a way to save money since you are only selling items you already have. Once you inventory the item you want to sell. Take high quality product photos before listing them on online marketplaces. If you plan to do this long term, consider making a website to host your own online store. Okay, one of the most popular second-hand item categories is clothing. The market value of the second-hand clothing industry is projected to reach $77 billion by 2026. Therefore, it's a good time to start your own clothing line. Many online marketplaces cater to the second-hand clothing and accessories market. Here are a few examples. Okay, Tradici specialize in women clothing, bags, shoes, and accessories. It's an excellent marketplace to sell unique, handmade, or vintage items. We barely sell designer clothes and accessories at the second-hand luxury online retailer Depop. What is Depop? Depop, a popular platform for selling vintage and designer goods like pre-loved t-shirts, sneakers, and jewelry. Okay, guys. Uh, okay. This is a website trusty. Other than clothes and accessories, make money online by selling other used items such as furniture, gadgets, sports equipment, and cars. In the United States, the used car market grew significantly in 2021 and is predicted to remain strong in 2022. Some of the best online selling sites for used items include eBay, a popular choice for various types of products including collectibles and vehicles. Gadget Salvation focus on used gadgets like laptops, phones, and tablets. Facebook Marketplace ideal for targeting local buyers. Okay, Reverb, an excellent site to sell new and used musical instruments and gear. Fat Lalima, marketplace for releasing items instead of selling them. Okay, here is the eBay selling. You just have to simply make an account on your eBay. First, you maintain your eBay account, then list your items, whatever you want to sell at the eBay account. Your listing will attract the buyers and you can sell easily the items you want to sold out. Similarly, there are other like gadget salvation. Okay, this is the platform in which you can sold out your used laptops, phone, and tablets. Similarly, market Facebook Marketplace, you can target the local buyers. These are the different sources, different sites you can sell your required items. Okay, guys, this was our today video. I hope you will really like it. Please keep watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.